Picture it, a world of intrigue, danger, and high stakes. A world where the balance of power can shift with the turn of a card, where a suave Bichon Frise named Agent Peanut, dressed in a debonair tuxedo, wields his charm and intellect with the same deftness as his trusty Walther PPK. In this world, the enemy is Herr Wolf, a master criminal and head of Spectre, Special Paws Executive Canines for evil. Wolf's weapon of choice, the Python 21 card game, a deceptively simple game of chance and strategy. But Agent Peanut has an ace up his sleeve in the form of you, the tech genius who makes Q look like an amateur. Your weapon? Python programming. Python, the powerful and versatile language, is your key to cracking the game. With it, you can dissect the game's mechanics and use them to Agent Peanut's advantage. Consider the game itself, a deck of cards represented in Python as a list, each card a tuple containing a rank and a suit. The game's mechanics, defined by a dictionary that maps the rules of the game. Each card drawn, each hand played, every win or loss are all controlled by this list, these tuples, this dictionary. Together, they form the heart of the game that could decide the fate of the world. So, how will you, the tech genius, use Python to help Agent Peanut defeat Herr Wolf? By understanding the game, by mastering the use of lists, tuples, and dictionaries, you can predict the game's outcomes, exploit its weaknesses, and turn the tables on Herr Wolf. Imagine the thrill of seeing your code come to life, of watching as Agent Peanut uses it to outsmart Herr Wolf, of knowing that you, not Agent Peanut, are the true hero of this story. Agent Peanut, a skilled hacker with a taste for adventure, is on a mission to stop Herr Wolf, a notorious cybercriminal. As Agent Peanut infiltrates Herr Wolf's secret lair, the tension builds. Will Peanut's code be enough to outsmart the cunning Wolf? The room is filled with high-tech gadgets and computer screens displaying lines of code. Peanut's fingers fly across the keyboard, executing complex algorithms with ease. Suddenly, a security camera pans across the room, capturing Peanut's every move. But Peanut remains calm and focused, knowing that their code is their greatest weapon. With a few keystrokes, Peanut gains access to Herr Wolf's mainframe. The screen flickers with a series of numbers and symbols, a digital representation of the battle between good and evil. As the code runs, Peanut's face lights up with excitement. They can almost taste victory, knowing that their code is one step closer to bringing down Herr Wolf's empire. But just as Peanut is about to celebrate, an alarm blares, signaling that Herr Wolf is onto them. Peanut quickly shuts down the code and disappears into the shadows, leaving no trace of their presence. In the next scene, we see Peanut analyzing the data they've gathered, searching for any weaknesses in Herr Wolf's defenses. Peanut's determination is unwavering as they continue to write and test code, preparing for the final showdown with Herr Wolf. Finally, the day arrives. Peanut is ready. They enter Herr Wolf's lair, armed with their code and a fierce determination to bring justice to the cyber world. The battle between Agent Peanut and Herr Wolf is intense, with code flying across the screen and sparks of electricity illuminating the room. In the end, it is Peanut's code that prevails. Herr Wolf's empire crumbles, and justice is served. Peanut stands victorious, knowing that their code has made a difference in the world. And as the credits roll, we are reminded of the power of code and the heroes who wield it. Agent Peanut, the true hero of this story, and their code, the ultimate weapon against cybercrime. Coding isn't just for programmers. It's for heroes. It's for those who want to make a difference, who want to save the world, who want to be the Q to Agent Peanut's Ozo 7. So grab your keyboard, fire up your IDE, and start coding. The world needs you. Agent Peanut needs you. Don't let them down.